Hi guys, are you looking for the best cat stroller? In this video, we will show the best cat stroller. So we are going to be taking a look at the best 5 cat strollers you can buy. Each has its own features, advantages, and prices to assist you in making the ideal choice. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cat strollers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. PetGear View 360 Travel System. This PetGear View 360 travel system makes it simple to get from the car to the trail. The stroller, car booster seat, and carrier are all included in this convertible set. This technique makes it possible to travel with your cat, no matter how you choose to do it. When the stroller frame is fully extended, place the carrier inside and take your cat for a stroll. With a zippered opening on top, it locks into position to provide your cat easy access. Once inside the vehicle, the carrier can be fastened with a seat belt or the booster seat frame that comes with it. A machine washable fleece cushion is included with this convertible stroller. Additionally, the carrier has a tether to keep your cat safe while you're on the go. Positive sides of this product: stroller, booster seat, and convertible carrier. The snap lock mechanism makes installation simple. Comes with a tether to fasten to your cat's harness. Has a machine washable fleece lining. Number 2. Ibaya 5-in-1 Cat Carrier and Stroller. Ibaya is a multi-purpose device that can be used as a car seat, stroller, carrier, backpack, and wheeled carrier. You may travel from local strolls to cross-country vehicle excursions and flights with just one dependable carrier, thanks to the convertible auto transporter. It performs exceptionally well as a stroller because of its 360-degree rotating front wheel, which makes it easy to operate and ride smoothly. Putting and taking out your cat is made easy with large zippers and a wide aperture. A sizable mesh basket serves as storage beneath the main compartment, which has mesh panels for ventilation and visibility. This cat stroller was highly praised by Paul, the test kitten, and his owners agreed. Positive side of this product: adaptable to numerous carrying and travel modes, carriage frame and telescopic handle, comfortable carry thanks to padded straps. On uneven terrain, the tripod shape enhances stability, with cup holders and a large storage basket. Number 3. Petite All-Terrain Pet Jogging Stroller. This all-terrain stroller with its huge bike-style tires is ideal for jogging or hiking on difficult terrain. Cats can travel more smoothly and with greater stability, thanks to the tripod design. Additionally, you can select the ideal height for comfort, thanks to the adjustable handle. With its foldable, strong structure, this cat stroller may be stored flat. In case there isn't enough room, the wheels can also be removed. The stroller is held in place while parked by a foot brake. Additionally, it incorporates reflective accents to help with visibility in low light. This stroller offers your cat lots of ventilation and visibility, thanks to its large mesh panels. You can easily keep your cat dry by using the PVC rain cover, separately offered, if the weather turns bad. Positive sides of this product: big bicycle tires for a comfortable ride. At a faster running speed, the tripod shape enhances stability. Your cat will have plenty of room inside. Reflective highlights and a foot brake are safety features. Number 4. Petite Pet and Pets Double-Decker Cat Stroller. For 2 cats who don't mind sharing their space, a twin cat stroller works well. If not, though, what should you do? Or if your other pet wishes to accompany you, a novel solution is provided by Petite's Double-Decker Pet Stroller. With 2 wheels up front for stability, this stroller has a strong 4-wheeled structure. Perched atop a spacious rectangular carrier in the frame is a circular mesh carrier. The larger carrier can hold pets up to 22 pounds, while the smaller one can hold up to 11 pounds. This carrier is perfect for cats who want an unhindered view of their surroundings, since it offers lots of ventilation and visibility. Pets that are prone to mishaps can have the fabric taken out of the frame for easy cleaning. Positive sides of this product: 2 different carriers to hold different animals, double front wheels on a 4-wheel design, huge ventilation and visibility mesh panels. The fabric is removable for simple cleaning. Number 5. GEN 7 Pets Promenade Cat Stroller. Storage is essential whether you're going on a day trek or hitting the open road. This GEN 7 Pets stroller has plenty of style and functionality. Beneath the stroller is a spacious zip pouch that provides safekeeping for food, snacks, and possibly even a portable litter box. Your cat will have lots of space to stretch out in this roomy pet stroller. It can even easily fit a second cat because it supports up to 50 pounds. This stroller type provides some useful extras for a reasonably cost stroller. It includes an adjustable canopy and a detachable polyfill pad. Your cat is kept secure and comfy while riding thanks to the shock absorbers and rear wheel brakes. With only a single button press, it can even be folded up for storage. Positive sides of this product: huge storage area with a zipper. 2 cup holders are included. Safety features include shock absorbers and rear wheel brakes. Pushing a button causes it to fold up effortlessly for storage. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.